Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the 8th tutorial video of our series HTML course for complete beginners. And today we'll be talking about HTML headings. And in our usual tradition, I'm just going to create a new file like this and call it 08 and say HTML headings like this .html. All right, and I'm just going to tap enter, and I'm just going to hold down Shift+1 and tap enter to toggle this Emmet abbreviation so it can generate a basic template for us to use. Okay, and I'm just going to rename the title of the document as we always do, and I'll call this learning HTML documents learning HTML headings. All right, and I'm just going to save this and right click on this and reveal in File Explorer like this, and I'll just double click on this to open this, and you can see learning HTML headings. Okay guys, so what are HTML headings? And if you've been following our previous tutorial videos, you'll discover that this is not a new concept because I've been using it. You discover I've been using H1s and the rest. So we use headings to define a title or a main topic of a particular content. It's as simple as that. And now in HTML we have 6 type of headings, right? We have H1, we have H2 to H6, and I'm just going to define them right now. We define H1 by just typing H1 like this and tap enter. Remember, we're using Visual Studio Code, right? And it helps us to complete our HTML tags, right? Because of the Emmet abbreviation. So I'm just going to tap enter, and you can see it has generated the H1 tag for me. So I'm just going to say this is heading 1. All right, and I'm just going to save Ctrl+S, okay? And I'll come over to my browser and refresh, and you can see this is heading 1, right? Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing for H2, and I'm just going to type H2 and tap enter. You can see it has generated the closing and opening tags for me, right? So I just have to type inside this is heading 2, and you can see when I save and I come back and I refresh, you can see, and as you can observe, you will discover that heading 1 is quite bigger than heading 2, and like that in that order. Let's try heading 3 and see what's going to happen. H3, tap enter, you get, and I'm just going to say this is heading, sorry about that, this is heading 3, and I'm just going to save and refresh, and you can see it's getting smaller. All right, so I can do this up to 6 and say H4 and say this is heading 4. Remember I said we have 6 of them in HTML, right? And when I save, I refresh, and here we have, and you can say that here again too. For H5, I'm just going to type H5, tap enter, and I'll say this is heading 5. Same thing for H6, I'll say H6, this is heading 6. Ctrl+S, and I'll just save and refresh, and you can see we have heading 1 to heading 6, and this is how you define HTML headings. Simple as that. So guys, thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.